They can work round the clock in conditions that would be hazardous for human workers, enhancing safety in the workplace. Moreover, these robots are not just programmed, they learn. Through machine learning algorithms, they can adapt to new tasks, improve their performance, and even predict and prevent problems before they occur. In this new era, AI and robotics are transforming manufacturing into a faster, more precise, and safer process. So, how exactly are AI and robotics revolutionizing the manufacturing industry? Well, let's start by considering speed and precision. Artificial intelligence and robotics work in harmony to streamline operations, enhancing speed while maintaining and often improving accuracy. Robots guided by AI can perform tasks at a pace that far outstrips human capabilities, and they do it without tiring or losing focus. This means fewer errors and more products rolling off the assembly line faster. But speed and precision are just the tip of the iceberg. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data is truly transformative. Using predictive analysis, AI can foresee potential equipment failures and maintenance needs before they cause costly downtime. This leads to more efficient operations and saves valuable resources. Safety is another key area where AI and robotics are making a significant impact. In the manufacturing industry, some tasks are inherently risky for humans, but robots, unfazed by hazardous conditions, can take on these dangerous tasks. Whether it's handling toxic materials or working in extreme temperatures, robotics ensure these tasks are performed without risking human safety. Moreover, the combination of AI and robotics is not just replacing human workers, but also creating new roles and opportunities. It's driving the need for skilled professionals who can design, program, and maintain these advanced systems. In short, AI and robotics are not just the future, they're the present. They're here and they're reshaping the manufacturing industry as we know.